Avalara is a tax compliance automation software that helps businesses manage tax calculations, filing, and compliance. Here's a guide on how to use Avalara. Sign up and access. Sign up. Visit the Avalara website and sign up for an account. Choose the appropriate plan based on your business needs. Log in. Access Avalara through their website or download the Avalara AvaTax app if available for your platform. Set up your profile. Business information. Enter your company details, including business address, tax identification numbers, and jurisdictions where you need to collect tax. Nexus settings. Define your Nexus settings to determine where your business has tax obligations. This includes states, counties, and cities. Integrate with your systems. ERP or accounting software. Integrate Avalara with your ERP, e-commerce platform, or accounting software. Follow the specific integration guides provided by Avalara. API integration. For custom systems, use Avalara's API to integrate tax calculation functionality directly into your application. Configure tax rules. Product taxability. Set up tax rules for your products and services. Avalara provides a comprehensive product taxability matrix to help you apply the correct rates. Exemption certificates. Upload and manage customer exemption certificates to ensure compliance and avoid unnecessary tax collection. Calculate and collect taxes. Real-time calculation. When processing transactions, Avalara automatically calculates the applicable sales tax based on the transaction details and your configured settings. Invoice integration. Ensure that tax amounts are correctly applied on invoices and receipts. File and remit taxes. Tax filing. Avalara can automate tax filing and remittance to various jurisdictions. Set up your filing calendar and let Avalara handle the rest. Reports. Access detailed reports on tax collected, filed, and remitted. Use these reports for internal tracking and compliance audits. Support and resources. Customer support. Use Avalara's support resources, including live chat, phone support, and help articles. Training and documentation. Leverage Avalara's training materials and documentation for deeper understanding and efficient use of the platform.